guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So today, we're going to talk about leads. We're going to talk about generating leads, because leads is the first step in making more sales online. And I really want to drive this home because I've gotten people asking me when they're stuck in their business, Barbie, why am I not making the sales that I want to make? And the first thing I do is I ask them, well, let me take a look at your lead flow. What is your lead flow? And people just don't have a clue about the fact that they have to start generating leads. And generating leads is just a process that you have to start implementing inside of your business. And I know it can be challenging, especially if you're new. So what I want to do today is I want to go into my back office and kind of show you some numbers as far as like leads generated to conversion rate, and how many leads you kind of have to generate to expect a certain result, so that you have a better, clearer view as to how many leads you need to start generating. And that's why I want you to start focusing on becoming a better marketer. And a person that is a good marketer can generate leads like that. Like, you can come up with some sort of idea, some sort of a giveaway, some sort of a lead magnet that's going to attract a ton of leads. And so you've got to develop that skill, and I'm going to drill that into my subscribers, because if you want to make sales online, you have got to master lead generation. So if you want to take a little back scene tour of my back office of a few things that I'm working on to see how many leads you have to kind of generate in order to get those conversions, so that you can start making sales and really get a practical view of what it takes to start making some sales online, then keep on watching. Alright guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Alright guys and gals, let's dive right in. And really quickly, if you stay to the end of the video, I am going to gift you an attraction marketing beginner's guide, so that you can start tracking your benchmarks, so that you can start meeting those lead generation goals that'll get you one step closer to those sales that you want to make. So make sure to stay tuned to the end so that I can tell you exactly where to grab that free resource. All right guys and gals, so I want to give you an actual practical view of how many leads you got to be generating and what kind of results you can expect with those leads generated. Now, of course, guys and gals, there's so much more that goes into it. You have to be nurturing your list. You have to be providing value. You have to be creating content. You have entered a new profession of marketing if you really want to make this work. Now, if you take a look at my list, they're not that big. They're really not that big. This is one of my highest converting funnels, and I only have 1,124 subscribers, okay? But I've made a lot of sales with this funnel, and I've sponsored a lot of people into my primary company, okay? So that's number one. Number two, I have a 7-day trial follow-up list for my primary company. And in this list, I have 1,355 subscribers. So let's go ahead and take out a calculator. So we've got 1124 plus 1355, right? So I've generated 2,479 leads. So about 2,500 leads, okay? So out of these 2,500 leads, here's my list of how many people I've sponsored into my primary program. I've sponsored 370 people, okay? And it took me 2,500 leads, almost 2,500 leads to do that, okay? Most of my signups come from this right here, through this backup list, or this follow-up list, I should say, and this
campaign right here. So if you think you have to generate like tons and tons and tons of leads, you know, like spending crazy money on leads, no, you don't. If you have a tight quality marketing approach to what you're doing, you don't need a whole city, okay? You don't need tens of thousands of people to get big results. And 370 brand new partners inside of my primary company, all done with funnels and email marketing and video marketing. That's pretty darn good. That's a good number, okay? So I just wanted to show you that. Now, let me show you another back office of something that I use to generate leads and get results in there as well. So right here, this is my marketing education hub. People, they think that I just get these results because I was born knowing all this stuff, and I wasn't. I can assure you, I had to learn. And I wish more people would actually ask me, instead of how did you make all those sales, I wish they would ask me, where did you learn how to make all those sales? Because this is basically where I've learned, because I get all my marketing education here. All right. So if you haven't activated a 10-day trial of My Lead System Pro and have actually gone through their training, I highly recommend that you do, because they're going to give you the lead generation education that you need in order to start generating leads like nobody's business. And you have got to get proficient. You've got to get good at doing that. And they teach you how to do all that stuff inside of My Lead System Pro. Let me show you one of the, to me, one of the major selling points of My Lead System Pro. It's not just their education, okay? I use their education, but I use my primary program's tools for the most part. So they make a beautiful match. But I'm going to also show you how I generate leads here using their lead generation campaign. See, if you're brand new, you do not need to know anything. All you need to know is how to follow instructions. And I'm going to show you really quickly how My Lead System Pro gives you a getting started step-by-step process that will have you generating your first leads by today if you're an action taker. If you don't take action, nothing will happen. But if you can follow their directions, you should be able to generate leads right away. All right, so let's take a look at this. Now, I have generated, okay, so I have generated 812 leads. That's it. Okay. Now these are the impressions. These are like the clicks. Okay. These are the clicks. And I've been using MLSP seriously for not even a year. Like, I've been in and out of MLSP for a long time. I've shared my story with MLSP. I have a video on that somewhere, but I've been in and out of MLSP for a long time. And I just realized, you can have a great product, you can have a great business, but if you don't have that marketing education, it's going to be challenging. And there's stuff that even I don't know, with as advanced as I am. I just was on a webinar the other day where they were teaching you high-level scalability of your business, which is where I want to go, creating my own products. And so I go to My Lead System Pro to learn those things. And then I use my company's tools to actually build everything out. So check this out. So these are the impressions. Over 65,000 people have seen my offers out there. Okay, that is crazy. And all I do is put my Lead System Pro resources in my YouTube description box, and I'll post every now and then. I will post over to Facebook about My Lead System Pro. Okay, but for me, My Lead System Pro is kind of like secondary in my business, where my primary program is my primary focus. But this is a huge part of why I've been able to break through online, because of the marketing education that MLSP has given me. So here are my conversions. Okay, this is how many leads that I've generated with these particular campaigns. 812 leads. And I know I could do so much more, but I just haven't been aggressive about it. So out of 812 leads, I have signed up, right here, you'll see 35 people. 35 people inside of MLSP. This 17 conversion, I have more than that because I have signed up 35 people. I'm not exactly sure what this is counting. But I can tell you that I've already signed up 35 people into My Lead System Pro, and I've exposed them to this amazing education inside of this company, okay? So what I want to show you is right here. This is right now my highest converting lead campaign inside of My Lead System Pro, but there's different ones that you can choose from. For me, I like this one because a lot of people are on Facebook. It's easy to get social media leads on Facebook if you follow these instructions. And all I do is I grab my link from here, and I'll put like, in order to track this, I'll put like T equals FB wall, right? And that way I know where the leads are coming from. And I'll copy this, and I'll go ahead and I'll put this inside my browser, which I'll show you in just a second. All right. And you can put this in Facebook groups. You can put this on your Facebook wall. You can tweet it out. There's just so many ways that you can start driving traffic into here. And people will give you their details so that they can get access to the free training. So you have to get good at generating leads, guys and gals. That is the name of the game. So let me go ahead and show you something really quickly. So when you activate a $10 10-day trial of My Lead System Pro, they're going to have you start with a simple startup. Okay. I'm already advanced, and I'm doing this all over again because they just revamped it. So step one, it teaches you the welcome to MLSP and the foundation overview. And then they give you an action step for you to go through. So it's like, check it off the list, okay? And then step two, how does MLSP help me build my business? And then you've got your action steps. Step three, setting up your MLSP system for success and for generating leads, which you want to learn how to do. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, or you're a coach with your own products, you need to know how to generate leads. And they have more focused training in the back office here. If I go over here to my training library, you can choose from all kinds of training, right? You can go ahead, and if you want to learn how to do blogging or Facebook challenges or Facebook lives or Facebook paid ads for beginners, Instagram, social media magnetic prospecting, Twitter, social media networking and prospecting, you just everything you need to know. See, because some people, they'll buy like course after course after course. And I just, I pretty much have everything focused where I get all my marketing education right here in My Lead System Pro. There's a couple of other things that I have signed up for, which I'll do a video about that as well, about some of my marketing education. Because, see, I rather tell you straight. I am the type of person that I rather you tell me the truth. If you tell me, hey, you got to work hard and these are the steps you have to take, I'd rather know that because I know exactly what to expect. I don't want to hear, oh yeah, you can make so much money and you can make so much money in just like a week. Okay, but how do I do it? Give me your money and then I'll tell you. I'm not that kind of person, right? I want you to know straight up that you have to learn how to become a marketer if you want to sell products and services online. So as you can see, let's see, where's my calculator? In total, I've generated 3,291 leads just doing YouTube videos and a little bit of Facebook posting. That's it. And I've sponsored 35 people into MLSP, which is basically, like I said, not my primary thing. It's more about educating people and helping them get their education. And 370 people into my primary program. And I've sold my own products. So what is the key thing you need to master in your business? Lead generation, guys and gals. Lead generation. So the numbers are right there.
All right, guys and gals, well, I hope that helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. And just you wait, I am working on some really big projects and I can't wait to share them with you guys and gals. And I'm doing some case studies and I'm in the marketing lab testing some things out. And so I'm really, really excited to bring that back to you guys so that I can share these results with you so that you can start implementing them in your own business. And by the way, if you want to learn more about partnering with me or getting coaching with me, I will have a link right below this video. I don't do a lot of coaching because I really want to work with some very specific people that are serious about moving their business forward. So I will leave a link right below this video in the description box so that you can learn how you can work closer together with me, because I've had a few people ask me that in the last couple of weeks. So I want to go ahead and leave that information for you in my description box. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. There's no excuse for you guys not to start generating leads, especially when you have all this valuable information and resources at your fingertips. So I highly encourage that you take action today and make it a goal to generate your very first 10 leads online, and make sure to download that free Attraction Marketing Beginner's Guide resource to help you keep track of your lead generation goals as you start knocking them out. All right, so this has been Barbie Figueroa. I will see you on another video. Bye.